Dennis is doing it fine, but it can be even, it can be like subtle. It doesn't have to be like, you know, like Muay Thai and stuff, right? It's just develop your legs. One, two, three. And you can use your hands, but you've got hold now. You get the high kicks. You can do the high kicks. That's unexpected. I wouldn't expect you to do that. But if you have that, exactly. You never thought about, you know. So again, if you're flexible, you can do it when Dennis says, or if not, you just be lower. But it can be towards it. So try to see how to take the stick now, maybe incorporating hips or legs a little bit. Okay? Let's go have some fun with each other. Let's go.